Okay, today we're going to talk about using similarity to solve for unknown sides. And the first thing that we really need to do in this is to find the two corresponding sides that have numbers on them. And in this case, if we notice that the 9 and the 6 are both in corresponding sides and they both have numbers. As a result, our fraction or ratio for everything is going to be 9/6. Now, if you wanted to simplify that, you could, but we just don't need to at this point. So we're just going to set up proportions or equivalent fractions, and we're going to solve for our different sides. So solving for x, we have 9/6 equals. Now that x is in the same figure as the 6, so they go in the same part of the fraction, or the denominator in this case, as each other. And then we're also going to find out what's in the same place as the x. The corresponding side in the other figure is 12. Now to simplify your proportions, multiply by both denominators, times x times 6. Cancel out, and we are left with 9x equals 72. And to get rid of the 9, we divide by 9 on both sides. And we are left with x equals 8. Okay, let's move on to our y. Same fraction again. We're going to have the 9/6 equals, and this time the y is in the 9 figure, so we're going to have the 9 and the y in the numerator, and the corresponding side to this y is 6. Now right here, let's pause and let's stop. Yeah, you could go through the process, you could multiply by both denominators, but realistically, let's just be smart about this. Both denominators are 6, therefore both numerators have to be the same thing. As a result, y equals 9. Don't do too much. Just go with the easy if it's given to you. Alright, and finally let's solve for z. So we have 9/6. The z is in the 9 figures, so we're going to put it on top of our fraction, our numerator, and then our corresponding side to z is 3.5. So let's multiply by 3.5 and by 6. So we're left with 6z equals 31.5. Then we divide by 6 on both sides. And we're left with z equals 31.5 divided by 6. 5.25. Okay, so this is just an example of the first one. Make sure that you use the same process on each problem. Use the same strategy. Find your initial ratio first, and then do all of your math based on that. And good luck.